Yep. Look at that. Hello, Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today about Poblano peppers. They're really nice, beautiful, rich, deep green color. These can be medium spicy to hot, and I like to stuff them. Poblanos rellenos, stuffed with sometimes beef, pork, rice, eggs, breadcrumbs, you name it, we can stuff these. And I want them to hold their shape. Okay, so there we go. And I'm looking for 1.5 peppers for my chili. Right there. These will be stuffed. Might have to taste one of these. Of course. We've got the fresh ground. Yeah, fresh ground pink salt. Wow. I've got a chili working here. We've got 2 pounds of sweet onions, 6 cloves of garlic, a pound of ground beef, a pound of ground pork, 1.5 Poblano peppers, some fresh tomatoes, beans, of course. I'm putting black beans, and secret ingredient, I'm adding 2 giant pork chops because I want the flavor and the bone. Red Colorado beans in here. The beans are cooking separately right now. They need to cook longer than the rest of the chili. Tomato sauce goes in. Always rinse the can. I've added 3 kinds of pepper already. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground ancho, and 1 teaspoon of Hatch chili powder. I'm also going to be putting a generous amount of cumin. And we're going to let it cook. Beans cooking separately. Someone asked me, Chef, do fresh herbs go in chili? And the answer is, of course, hell yes, if you got them. So we're putting a teaspoon of basil, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme, because herbs are awesome. And of course, we're stirring this regularly. Don't want to burn your chili. Very important. Also, speaking of utensils, it's very important to only use a wooden spoon when you're making chili. You can scrape it. You want to scrape it with one of these high heat scrapers. Scrape the side of the Dutch oven or the pot down. Always a good idea. But use a wooden spoon. Thank me later. Let it cook. Make sure you salt your beans. I've added 1 small jalapeno diced up to these beans. They're going to be really good. You cook them until they're just tender enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The chili here in the Dutch oven. Of course, we're going to taste it and adjust the seasonings. I've got quite a bit of different peppers going on here, and the flavor can be quite hot and intense. You never really know. Also, you've got to add salt a few times. Yeah. Ah, the beans are getting thick. Yeah. Always test them. Make sure they're soft. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What I like to do next is add my beans all at once. In this pot, right into there. Let's take another look at that. Oh yeah. Look. Secret ingredient. I'm adding 2 giant pork chops because I want the flavor and the bone. Going to pan sear these pork chops. Of course, I've got a little bit of salt and pepper on there. Let them cook. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that chili. Quick tasting. Oh yeah. Pork chops go right in. The lid goes on. And I'll be back. Chili's all done. Look at that. Oh yeah. Gonna plate it up now. Follow along. Plating up the chili, I'm using a large plate bowl combination here. And we got a nice scoop right in the middle. A couple of these Poblano peppers here. Oh yeah, looking good. A little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese. Put this pork chop right across the middle. A couple more chunks right there. A little garnish of avocado. Touch of fresh herbs. Thanks for watching. Try the recipe. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here. In this video I will explore check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cut cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh yeah, sourdough bread. Look at that stuff. Nice loaves. Learn more right there. Just search bread on this channel. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded, made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. Was hoping for 25. Professional cutting board, chopping block, butcher block, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.